up, baby gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And we are back with another
Video.
A
lit video.
Another semi-lit video.
L-I-T! What the hell? Okay, guys. So we're gonna make this video.
First of all, it's October, right?
It's October 1st.
So what that mean?
That means
it's Vlogtober, baby! You so lame, baby!
Okay, anyways, guys, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. Babe, hold it straight now. You gotta.
You wanna hold it in? You wanna hold it in?
Okay, anyways, guys, it is Vlogtober day 1.
Uno.
I know this video is not what most YouTubers do or whatever, but because I have to work tonight, I close. So since this video is not gonna be like how we wanted it to be, because I close, he got off at 1, I go in at 3, so we kind of had to do a video in between that time. So we're just gonna basically sit down and tell you guys what to expect and what we would like to do throughout this whole month of October, because we do want to do Vlogtober and some other things as well that we're not going to say yet until that time comes. But we do want to do Vlogtober. We want to participate, even though some days I'll probably have to go in late. His schedule is set, so he's okay. But when mine's out, sometimes I go in late, sometimes I go in midday and get off late. So it's kind of like we have to video when we can. So
yeah, well, we're gonna have to video.
We're gonna have to.
Even if you have 1 hour in between when I get off and she go, we have to make at least. So guys, the only time you probably see like a mini vlog, like for example, like this is like when I just got off work and she gotta go to work in the next hour or 2. Yeah. So this is just the first video because it's Vlogtober number 1. So that means we have to video every day, so we can't skip a day. So we have to put out something, something for you guys. I know this may not be the entertainment and the type video, but yeah, it's Vlogtober, man. You gotta start off slowly, then slowly crawl to walk, So.
And also, guys, with the intro, for right now, we're gonna keep it the same, just because, like I said, our schedules and stuff didn't, It's all over the place, so we didn't really have like a set time and a set day. We had to, like, we didn't have a set day and time that we had out of the week to just really plan and do this intro. But we do intend on doing an intro, an October intro, and the way we're thinking it is gonna be lit. So hopefully when we put it out,
it comes out good, guys. Hopefully we already got the stuff in mind, which we need to go. We already got some of the stuff, but we need to go get the most important stuff before it's sold out. So
yeah, exactly. So we had time to go and gather stuff, but we just haven't had time to.
Yeah. So no later than this week, the video, we should have the new intro up this week. That's like if we don't, then that's totally I don't know, but unacceptable. So definitely this week we have the new intro, guys. You know what I'm saying? So bear with us. As I said, the only time you're gonna see vlogs like this is when I just got off work and she gotta go to work. So.
Or when we break up. I'm just playing.
You want to break up?
No.
Hey, I go find some fat booster Judas,
He think he playing.
But yeah, guys. This.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. You want me to? Guys, she want me to shut up, so I'm shut up.
That ain't what I was doing.
No, that's what he was doing. So go ahead. No, go ahead and tell.
Babe,
go ahead and talk.
With your lips.
You was shutting my. You was telling me to shut up, basically. So go ahead and talk.
Okay.
Then.
I don't have nothing to say.
What the so why you, guys? Y'all see her trying to.
I wasn't shutting you up. I was playing with your lips.
But yeah, guys. Oh, comment down below since it's October, Halloween. What type of videos y'all want us to see? Like, do you want us to go to places and something like? We do got a few stuff in mind that hopefully we should be able to make it there, record for you guys. We got challenges in mind. You know what I'm saying? So, but one time you go actually see those type of videos is when we are all for. We won't work early in the morning. We have the rest of the day off. So yeah, exactly. So on time, and it's very rare that we're gonna make videos like this because she don't close all the week, maybe once or twice. So
once a week, baby.
That out of 5 days, we should have some good videos up. Like I said, it's Vlogtober, so we should be posting every day. That's gonna be our main challenges, you know, guys. Oh yeah, it's very rare that she closed and stuff like that. So
true, facts.
We should have videos up every week, every day. You know what I'm saying? So as I say, we have to vlog. Well, we have to post a video every day. So this is gonna be a big challenge for us. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know, guys, we've been saying that we're trying to post a video every day, but it's not that we don't have ideas or something. It's just that we work. So sometimes. We could record a video, but it's just that we won't have time to edit it. So it's like it wouldn't make no sense. We just make the video. It's just gonna sit there.
We can record all day long.
Yeah, we can record all day. Like it doesn't. A quick 10 minutes. It don't take 10 minutes of your time to make a quick little video. So, but things that edit don't take a while, but it take a while. If that makes sense.
If you want to add stuff and make it.
Yeah, plus make the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, that's basically what we are here to tell you guys, you know what I'm saying? I know I've been posting for the past couple weeks. We posting like once a week, but starting today, October 1st, it's gonna be a video October 1st, 2nd, 3rd, until the end of this month. You know what I'm saying? So
we ain't making no promises now, but
well, if we're gonna do October, we're gonna have to do it.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, what happened if we have to skip a day? What happened if we have to skip a day?
You can't skip a day. If you have to vlog 30 days, you can't skip a day.
Okay.
That's the thing, though.
We can do this, guys. Challenge accepted. We can do this. We can do it. I think we can do it.
As I said, we can do it if we don't have time. We make quick videos like this that won't take long.
Yeah.
Like, literally don't take long at all to edit. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah, guys, if y'all have anything, also if y'all have anything in mind that y'all, I don't know if he said it, but if y'all have anything in mind that y'all would like to see from us during this month of October, like if y'all want to see us, you know, do haunted houses or whatever y'all have in mind for this month, let us know in the comment section below. And also, if we have to be subjected to making these quick little videos like this, you know, if I have to work later in the night when he gets off or whatever, give us some things y'all want us to, like, either, I don't know, talk about, or y'all want to see us do, like, real quick. I think it's gonna be like one video a week that we're gonna have to do like this, because like I said, I close at least once a week, at the most twice.
Sometimes none, but it's very rare.
Very rare that I don't close. So yeah, guys, we just want to come on camera. We just want to let you all know that an intro will be coming soon. Everything will be getting together soon, guys.
Yes. Everything. It's not gonna be for the first couple or a few days, but maybe it should be up by the end of this week. Because end of this week, so
hopefully by the grace
look forward to that. Look forward to some lit videos that we got in mind for you guys. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, just journey with us. Hope you guys are enjoying the first day of the month. You know what I'm saying? October, and I hope you guys are also doing Vlogtober as well. Well, I know some of you guys are.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we've been good. You know what I'm saying? We've been good. We've been chilling. You know what I'm saying? We've been good. How you guys been? Comment down below and know what you guys been. We've been good though.
What y'all doing October 1st? Let us know in the comment section below. Because I will be reading comments at work, because I do watch our videos at work on my lunch and break and stuff.
Also, let me know what costume y'all gonna wear.
Oh yeah, let us know.
You know what I'm saying?
Let us know. Maybe give us some ideas too. So, alright guys. We're gonna catch y'all. What you about to say? Ouch.
We didn't want to make this video too long, so what you want to say?
We're gonna catch y'all in the next video.
Yes, we'll catch y'all in the next video.
So we'll see y'all mañanas.
Oh, before we go.
What?
Tomorrow. You might see a next video like this.
Maybe,
because she worked. Well, she don't close, but she get off close to closing. So looking for a next video like this, guys. Hopefully, we're gonna try to mix it up and do something. You know what I'm saying? But as the day goes, it's gonna be more and more interesting. So stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah. So that's it for me, guys. That's all I have to say. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.
So yeah, guys,
it's gonna be LIT lit.
This Jamaican Indian. Alright, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.